Field service in CSM Agent Workspace allows customer service agents to manage work orders, create work order tasks, and inform customers of the status of their work orders. All of this is done within the same interface and workflow, and all in real time while interacting with the customer. This allows CSM agents to track cases and related work orders and tasks, all from a single workspace. Let's see how this works. A customer initiates contact with an agent through a phone call, virtual agent, or chat. Here, our agent, John Jason, is talking with a customer who initiated a chat to report an issue with their router. Let's see how the customer issue is resolved with field service flows made available within the Agent Workspace. The first thing John does is create a case for the customer to document the reported issue. Before proceeding, he wants to find out if there are any existing knowledge articles that could help resolve the issue. There's an article on router overheating, so he takes a look. This article suggests that router overheating may require a field technician to address the issue. It also suggests which template to select to create the work order. After reviewing the information provided, he marks the article as helpful. Now John can create a work order to get a field agent to assist. Any information captured in the case is copied over to the work order. Applying the template for router overheating ensures that the work order will be planned and executed accurately by automatically populating the work order task with the work instructions and parts required, along with other pertinent information, for the field agent. Then he clicks here to schedule the task for dispatch. And here's the newly created work order task, which also provides a list of the parts required to fulfill the request. Dynamic scheduling then automatically assigns the task to the nearest available agent who has the skills and parts required to complete the job. John can now update the customer about which agent will work on the job and when the agent is scheduled to arrive, all while still engaged with the customer. With field service in the CSM Agent Workspace, you have a more dynamic response process that allows you to keep customers updated in real time as you work toward meeting their needs. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.